Well, the things we noticed, the first thing was the flow rates picked up a bit when we first started irrigating with it.
Yeah.
The other thing we've noticed as the season's gone on, that we've backed off our soluble fertilisers quite a bit, probably about half. $6-7 it's worth of fertiliser. We just backed off because the vines were going too good, and we don't want them to be too vigorous and too vegetative, which can be a problem. So we sort of just
Awesome.
Yeah. Well, the yields this year compared to last year, sort of similar weather circumstances. So we've noticed that the yield, we're probably 15% in front.
That's great.
So 10 to 15% in front with yield from last year. And we got a little bit behind with the picking, which, was another thing. If we were, got in front with that, that might cost us 5%, just been getting behind with the picking and keeping up with the volume coming out. The quality was exceptional. The melons, the internals are really good. The texture they're really crunchy, and the markets were really happy with them. So we had no problem selling any of our produce. So,
yeah, awesome.
Yes, we definitely used a bit less water, maybe 10%, 15% less water. For the price of the device, one season it's paid for us, a few times over, easy. Yeah, or even you take in consideration yield, well, we're mad not to bloody grab one, I reckon. So
awesome.
We've had good results, yeah.
Awesome.